Hello guys, and welcome once more to MEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Obuki. If you're new to the channel, you're highly and highly welcome. Feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel and share the link of this YouTube channel to somebody who may be of help to in physics. Alright, so we want to look at dimension. Now, dimensions in physics has a special word meaning, okay? What dimensions are used for is they denote what? The physical nature of what? Quantities. And the one thing we use dimensions for is we use it to check for accuracy in our calculations for in physics. Okay, and we have three fundamental quantities that we want to relate all physical quantities to, and we have their dimension. So the first one, any physical quantity we have is mass. Any physical quantity that its units is related to what? Mass. Then we use the dimension as what? We have it as what? Capital letter what? M. Now the next one is what? Length. Now remember length, we have to use the letter what? L. So the dimension of length. So if you have any physical what? Quantity that its unit is measured in terms of length, you use L for its what? Dimension. Now we can still say distance. We can still use L for distance and even displacement. Okay. Now the next most important or the third most important fundamental quantity that any object that its units are measured in terms of this quantity, which we call time. Okay. So we use what? T. Okay, to represent it. So in dimension analysis, okay, what we call dimension analysis, you want to see that when you solve calculations in physics, you want to analyze, okay, the formulas to see that they have, this connection to fundamental quantities in terms of what? M, okay, L, and what? T. So we'll be looking at some examples with regards how physical quantities relate to this what? Fundamental quantities with respect to what? M, L, and T. All right.